How's it going? How's it going? It's been a while, guys, that I haven't made a video. And reason why I want to make a video, guys, is that I've been getting a lot of emails, a lot of texts about opportunities, right? So let me put it out there real quick and jump right into it. A couple things that you need to know if you want to start your own transportation business at a smaller scale or at a larger scale is that you need to know if you want to do it as a self-proprietor or you want to do a LLC. I can't give you instructions on what is best, but what I will tell you is I have a LLC, and one of the reasons that I have a LLC is because of protection, right? And also to build credit with my company, right? Versus going off of Social Security. The difference if you do it as a business owner, as a sole proprietary or sole proprietorship, right? Versus a LLC or S corp, is that you a lot of times people if they want to sue you, they can sue you for your own personal assets as well, using your Social Security, and hold you liable, right? And as an LLC, you have certain protection if they try to sue you, right? So I want to make it clear that if you want to start off small or you want to start off big, it's a couple things you need to know. The bigger you get, sometimes brokers will not allow you to pull their freight unless you have $1 million policy, right? And $1 million policy can be expensive, right? Tell you right off top, I had Progressive, and when I got Progressive, I was paying for a 2,500 Ram ProMaster van. I was paying close to $1,000 a month just in insurance to keep a $1 million policy. If you're not pulling that type of money, $1,000 a month is a lot of money. You have to be on the road, and your van has to be on the road a lot in order to do that. I want to tell you myself personally, my first year when I bought my van in 2017, I put about 35,000 miles on the first year because I had to pay for that insurance, had to pay for my tires, had to pay for brakes, had to pay oil changes. Operating costs was ridiculous. So you're talking about $1,000, talking about gas, you're talking about maybe hotels. Sometimes my operating expenses just for the month would be roughly $4,000 or $5,000 just for operating. And after everything was paid off, I walked away maybe with $2,500. Wasn't a lot of. It wasn't really smart. Biggest reason why I didn't make a lot of money was the deadhead, where people never tell you, right? I always tell you, if you can afford to stay out, stay out. You'll make a lot of more money. You know, you can make up to $10,000 in a van staying out. When you drop off something, a company that you work with might have you drive, say if you go down to St. Louis, they might want you to go even farther, go down from St. Louis to Arkansas, right? So you're going to go farther south or whatever case might be. If you want to go to Indiana, you drop off a load. Some company might want you to go from Indiana to Ohio to Michigan, vice versa. Then you work your way back home, right? So what I'm saying is, if you can get loads like that and you don't have a family, I had a family, right? And I still have a family. So what I did was I try to stay in what we call the quad states, right? Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. right? All four states in the Midwest. And when I drop off something, I had something. Typically, sometimes I get something going back. But sometimes I'm waiting 4 and 5 hours waiting for a load. Sometimes I go back and I don't have anything. So what I started to do was try to find loads in Illinois, right? So I can come back home the same night, and it won't be a big thing. If I make, say, $800 that run, I probably spend maybe about a couple $100 in gas. I made $600 for that run, right? And now the only thing I'm doing is going out of state. So to answer your questions, I had a gentleman ask me about, he has a Honda. If you got a Honda and you want to get in this business, my suggestion to you is to get with a smaller company that you can do maybe packages. Nothing really big. Something like an Amazon type deal where you can deliver for Amazon. You can deliver if you can get involved with Walmart. They have local companies, but I'm gonna tell you the key, guys. Even with a small vehicle like a Honda, all around the country, people, because of medication, hospice, right? Hospice medication is very expensive. You can team up with companies that work with Walgreens, CVS, and a lot of pharmacies, and you're not gonna make a whole lot of money, but you can make maybe $1,000 a week. $1,000 a week for a small vehicle. It can be rewarding. You're not gonna spend. You might spend a couple $100 just for gas for that week. That's good. You make $1,000, you spend $200 operating costs. Company that I work with at the time is based out of Minnesota, Dispatch, and they kept me pretty busy. So they have expanded over the years. Another company, Go Share, is another company that I work with, right? Another company that I work with is UPS, with a vendor, right? They got a department where they call the vendor department, right? It's a lot of ways you can make money with a smaller vehicle, guys. Don't if you even want to get out to the point that you want to deliver. My sister should deliver Instacart, grocery shopping. So whatever it takes, if you need to make money, guys, go out there and make money. It's money to be made. Now, in my case, I got a 2,500, 136 wheelbase. The most I ever put in here was probably about 3,800 pounds, 4,000 pounds, three pallets. I made about $1,400 for that one run. After expenses, I probably walked home with maybe about give and take about $1,100. It wasn't bad. I spent $300. So I wanted to make these videos because I'm getting a lot of people are coming out there and asking questions. A lot of people are subscribing to my channel. Guys, continue to subscribe to my channel. And I thought it was so important for me to make this video today. Enjoy your day. Today is Monday. Today is Tuesday, the 22nd. Take care. Be safe out there, guys. Wash your hands. Cover your face. Wear gloves when you're making deliveries. Get your sanitized bottles, where now you can go places anywhere now and get them cheaper. At one point in time, people put premium on them, $10 just for a 2-ounce bottle. Now you can get, you can go to dollar stores and get it, right? It's very effective the same way. Take care, guys. If you have any questions, feel free. Continue to subscribe to my channel. Take care. And make sure that you take God with you.